Gauri. Hi Tanisha. Hi guys. Hi. I'll start the launch once we have some 20-30 followers so they don't miss. Hi Priya. Hi Divya. Hi Priya. Hi Asha. Hi Seth. Please save the live. I will. So happy Dhanteras to everyone. Hi Radhika. So guys, how's Diwali preparations going on? Hello Artworking. Are you guys able to hear me? Hi Daddy. Yeah, I'm doing fine. See, I'm working on orders still. My Diwali starts today evening. Hi Sarva Gautamukala. My preparations, I'm telling you, I'll start today evening. I have guests at home already. Hi Ashwati. So guys, today I'm going to launch some molds and I'm launching more 2-3 stuffs. You'll see when I launch. Hi Veena. So guys, shall I start with the launch? Okay, let's have a guess. Can you guess what mold I'm launching today? The winner, the correct guesser will get a free mold, like how I gave in my last live. The free mold, Preeti has guessed it right. So you guys will also get a mold. Yes, Veena. Guess. So guys, let's start the guess game. What mold am I launching today? It's very cute, tiny, little molds. Something Christmas related? No. What's the question? The question is what mold am I launching today? Tray mold? No. I just said Geetika, it's a small, cute, tiny molds. Snowflakes? No. Stone? No. No Christmas special. Guess. Pop socket? No. No pop socket mold. No pinata mold. What's pinata mold? Sorry. No cluster mold. No. Guess. No druzy mold. No crystal molds. No. Ring molds? No. You guys want me to launch ring molds? Keychain molds? No. No fish. Jewelry related? No. Cartoon related? No. Candle mold? No. Keychain? No. No cartoons. No druzy. Keep the guess going on. Little bowl. No, we already have bowl molds. Flower molds? No. Tray mold? No. Jewelry? No. Religious? No. Potion bottles? No. Flowers? No. Okay guys, I think it's not so easy to guess. I'll give you a hint. It's for cute little tiny, what's it? Cute little tiny people in our life. Buddha? No. Decor related? No. Ring molds? No. Hint, I just gave you a hint, Nikita. It's for cute little members in our family. Lakshmi mold? No. Angels? No. Little artist cowl. Baby molds? Correct. Little artist cow. I don't know your name. Please tell me what's your name. Buddha. Yeah, Buddha Rinis have Buddha mold already. Little artist cowl. I would like to know your name, dear. You guessed it correct. Mobile hold, no mobile. Darni, you already have a mobile holders. Diya, no. See, Diya, TL light holders and all, Rini's and the Krishna's cafeteria has already launched. I art by Gauri. I too wrote baby. I didn't get your message. I art by Gauri. Let me see who had messaged me first. Okay. Jewelry mold, ring mold, tray mold, no. Lakshmi mold, no. Yes, Little Artist Cowl was the first person who messaged me baby molds. After that, many have you messaged about baby mold. Even I said baby hands and feet. Crystal Persis, you said after that. I got her message first. So guys, you might see, your message first, but what I receive is what I am saying. I was asking that person's name, Little Artist Cowl, Anshu Kukreja. Yes, so WhatsApp me if you have my WhatsApp number, or DM me if you have my DM me for claiming the mold, because I don't think I have your address details. So guys, I'll start with the little mold. Are you able to see? It has little feet, palm, heart, star, mom and baby, small teddy, and a small romper. So these are roughly 1.52 centimeter size. Okay, so this is a single mold you get. This is for $3.99. The depth is 6 mm. 6 mm is the depth. You guys can use it for small, maybe if you guys are into scrapbooking or baby elements. If someone wants for breast milk jewelry, you can use this. Is perfect. You get everything in it. The best part is the mom and baby. I hope you are able to see it clear. Yeah, so this is a single mold. It's for $3.99. Okay, I have individual molds. I'll share with you. This is single baby mom and baby and mom. We have only palms also. Small heart. Small feet. And a star. So this 5 designs you get it as a single pieces also. If you want, you can purchase single pieces. These are priced between 75 to 99. Like this is 99, this is 75, this is 75, this is 99, mom and baby. This is 99, little feet. Okay, so this is the baby mold what we have launched. So what do you guys think about it? What is the design? Will WhatsApp? Yes, Preeti, you can WhatsApp me. I said specially mom and baby. Sindhu, yeah, see, that is specially mom and baby, but it is baby related, right? So Anshu, she had told in detail it's a baby mold, baby related mold. So guys, this will be up on website today in another 1 hour's time. Thank you. This is cute, na? Yeah, I was also loving these designs when I launched. I'll just show you once again the full mold. The heart, small little feet, the star, the palm, the small teddy bear. See, I'll show you the teddy bear close up. It has a engraving in it. I'm not sure if you're able to see. It has a detail in it. Mom and baby. Even mom and baby has a detailed hairline on it. And the romper. How much is the whole set? This full mold is $3.99, Preeti. If you want, you guys can purchase individual ones what I just showed you, or else this full mold is $3.99. $3.99. Okay, so this is the one baby related mold what I just showed. So there is one more huge mold. Now I want you guys to guess that, but I'm not giving that as a free. You guys can just guess. Let's play a guess game. Do you design these molds yourself? Yes, I do design these molds. Lekha. Thank you, Rajita. So guys, let's start the guess. What do you think? What's going to be the second mold of launch today? Flower? No, Nishi, not flower. No clock mold. No, clock mold already Priya and Dharni has done it. Hint for next one. Actually, I can't give you hint for that one. The hint itself is the guess actually. No dolphin. It's a little huge one. It will be somewhere around my palm size. No dolphin, no wall hanging. Wall hanger. See, you can't just say wall hanger. You have to say what in specific. No, it's not dolphin. Why will I launch such a big dolphin? I'm saying this big dolphin. No. Cake stand. No, I already have cake stand. If you want, you can purchase through website. No platter mold. It is not considered as religious one, but how do I say? You may say something into spirituality. No snowflake. Dharni, you can guess, but I'm not giving this guess and get the free. So you can guess Dharni. It's not religious, but it is into spirituality. Dream catcher, no. No frame, no mirror, no photo frame, no Buddha. It's not Buddha. It's not actually Buddha. But somewhere closer by. Snowflake, no. Evil eye, no. No dream catcher, no mandala. Wow, Preeti. Chakra, correct. It's a chakra mold. I'll show you. Yes, Preeti, chakra mold. But I'll show you what kind of chakra it is. Hamsa mold, I already have Hamsa mold. You guys can actually see the website. No, Dharni, I'll just show you guys. See. It's a lotus pose, yoga lotus pose with 7 chakras engraved on its places. Are you guys able to see the chakra engraving? It has 7 chakras. Root chakra, third eye chakra, throat chakra, heart chakra. Then, yeah. Okay, I'm not able to see this. So then you see this one. Then there is a sacral chakra, and then this is root chakra. So guys who all are into spirituality, who are into Reiki or who does yoga, you guys will be aware of these chakras. So this is, the depth is 8 mm. You guys can use it with your alcohol inks also. You can use this as a magnet. You can use it as a hanging, or you can use it however you want. You can use it as a coaster also. Shine, sparkle, silicone molds is the category on the website. Yes. Rajita, the price I will be revealing it today. This mold just got done today, so the pricing is yet to be decided. So guys, how do you like it? Do you like this mold? If someone is interested, I can customize in the smaller size also. This is I think this is almost 5 or 6 inch. I'll just show you. Yeah, this is almost 5 inch. 5 by 6, I guess. Yeah, it's 5 by 6. They get sold out so soon. Aprajita, which one? These molds are, see, these molds are made by us. You can see our name on it. So these will never go out of stock. You can always get these molds. Just because, how much is this for? Okay, when will you be restocking dried flowers? Dried flowers, maybe in 2 weeks. Thank you, Suji. Thank you, Rajita. Thank you, Dharni. Please customize smaller one too. Rajita, you want smaller one? Okay, guys, if I get somewhere request between 5 to 10 for the small size, I'll surely launch a smaller one. I like the bigger one because it has more detail of chakras and all. Okay, so this was the launch. We had 2 more launch of molds, but it's taking some time. So next I will go to acrylic. Last time I had launched acrylic coasters in white and black. So today I'm launching in transparent, 4-inch square, 4-inch round circle. Okay, so the price is same, 220 for set of 4 piece. It's a 3 mm thickness. Then you guys have any questions related Roman number? Veena ji, yes, I am showing you Roman numbers now. Alphabet molds also, please. Alphabet molds we already have. It's already in store. So next is the clock in white. It's a 9-inch dia. Usually you get in market 12-inch. We are launching 9-inch. I feel 9-inch is the perfect size for the homes. 12-inch looks a little bigger. So 9-inch in white and black. See the glare. You can see my lighting on it. When will you launch shaker molds? Why should I launch shaker molds? Shaker molds is Darne's department. Krishna's Crafteria. Sushma, you can see she has very beautiful designs in shaker molds. She launched last week some more cool designs, okay, which is not available in anywhere in market. Thickness of these clocks are 3 mm. Yeah, it's 3 mm. Acrylics are 3 mm, black and white, and these are 199, guys. 9-inch size, 199 price. Can I drill hole into this? Drill hole into what? Into acrylic? These already have holes for the clocks. It already has a hole. If you're asking about coasters, you can drill. Yes, you can drill holes in coasters. And the next is Roman numbers. See, this is in gold, Roman numbers. Okay. It's a set of, I'll share a picture, it will be clear. It's a set of number 12, 3, 6, 9, and the lines for other rest of the numbers. This set of this thing comes for 30 rupees. This one set is for 30 rupees. I have in gold, black and white. And these will come with these stickers, guys. Protection stickers. You have to remove it. Okay, I am not removing it so it doesn't get scratched. You guys can peel this off once you get it. All the acrylic stuffs, whatever you get from Madras Bazaar, will have a protection film on it. You have to remove those. Okay. So acrylic we are done. Then thank you Manisha, hope it doesn't go out of stock. Veena ji, it won't go out of stock. I have plenty of stock. You can always order. I can always get it. This is done at in-house, so it's always available. Next I'll go with something colorful. Guess something colorful. Guys, let's have the guess game. What's that colorful thing? I'm launching something colorful. Number 12. Beads. No, why beads? Why will I launch beads? Glitters, I already have plenty, and there are more plenty coming in. You guys want to see the glitters what I had shared on Sunday? The holographic glitters. Yeah, holographic glitters, I'll show you. Rainbow. What's rainbow? Guys, you can always ask me if you want to see the crystals what we have, which you're not able to make out from the pictures. If you want to see the actual, you want me to show it in the live, I will show you those also. Handmade by Nishi. Yeah, mica powder, right. So we are launching, see, we already had 3 shades in store. Today total there are now, we are launching total 12 shades. I'll show you the colors. Okay, this is the white we already have. Okay, see, mica powders is nothing but as same pearl powders. So this is white. I'll show you the colors what we already have in store. Pink and gold. These 3 shades are already on website. Okay, I'll show you the new colors what we are launching today. This is blue. It's somewhat sky blue, copper. These are pearl powder, not metallic powders. Mica pearl powders. Copper, pale green, red, lavender, green. The shades whatever you see is lighter, but it's highly pigmented. When you mix it with your epoxy resin, you will see the shades are very dark. So when you mix it, take a little of it and mix it. Silver, this is silver pearl, not metallic, but it looks very beautiful. I will share a creation very soon. Actually, Preeti from Varnam is going to share the creations and the shades, how it looks with epoxy resin very soon. Black pearl, and then violet. All these might look lighter in the picture or when you receive it, but when you mix it with epoxy resin, it will be highly pigmented. Okay, so guys, this is this bottle, one bottle is going to cost you 75 rupees, only 75 rupees. It has approximately 10 to 12 grams of powder, apart from the bottle weight I'm saying. Okay, so pearl powders, 12 shades we have. We might be launching more shades by next week. Thanks Preeti. Thank you Suji. Chunk glitters. Nishi glitters, I'll show you what we had shared. How many grams each bottle? That's what I said right now, Dharni. Each bottle weights of, I think each bottle weights of 15 to 18 grams, and pearl powder might be somewhere between 10 to 12 grams in it, and which is 75 rupees. And I might sell it as a full pack of 12 also, which will cost you more lesser. So I'll show you the glitters which I had shared in my Instagram on Sunday. Gold and yellow, silver, gold and silver. Okay guys, I'll show you the chunk hexagon holographic. See, this is red. Do you see the shine, hollow shine in it? Red. This is black. This is black actually, in maybe in real life which looks like a blue. It's black with the bluish holographic tone. This is blue, blue hollow, hexagon. These are hexagon shape. This is pink. This is green, kind of leaf green. This is rose. And the usual 2 colors what we have, silver and gold. Okay, so these are 100 rupees, 20 grams. Okay, it's a 20 grams pack, 100 rupees. Okay, so totally we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shades in this. Ten bottles of blue, 1 bottle of pale green, silver and black. Okay Dharni, parcel done. I'll dunzo it. Price, Isha, I just said the glitters are 100 rupees per cover. That's for per pack of 20 grams. Okay, anything else you guys want to see? You guys want me to show you the crystals, rainbow crystals? Rainbow crystals. Okay, yeah, I have 2 new shades in this. Okay, good, I just spoke about it. Manisha, show me green and rose. Green and rose glitter. See, I'll tell you difference between pink and rose. You can find it in the video itself. The difference of the rose and the pink. This is pink and this is rose. The shine both as different. So don't get confused that pink and rose is going to be the same. So green and rose. Preeti, this is green and rose. What you have asked. Okay. One green and one rose. Okay, Preeti. So guys, I'll share with you our rainbow crystals, gold and black. See, green, orange, purple. It's purple, maybe in video it looks like a blue, dark blue, but there is a difference in dark blue. This is dark blue and this is purple. In video it's looking somewhat different. Okay, yellow, teal, red. These are each 200 grams pack, correct? Yeah, 200 grams pack, you get it for 200 rupees. So each are 200 grams pack. So we have 2 new shades in this. Okay, I'm launching it now. Black, it's carbon black, gold, pearl gold. So only the gold is 200 grams for 250 rupees. It's 200 grams. Someone was asking me how many grams. These are holographic chunks. Yes, Ruhi, those are holographic chunks. Will the Roman numbers be on site today? Yes, Veenaji, it will be on site today. Crystal price, Jalpa, okay, I have a crystal clear white also. The white is 200 grams for 150 rupees. The color rainbow colors are 200 grams for 200 rupees. And gold one is 250 rupees. See the gold. It's a pearl gold. It's 200 grams for 250 rupees. I'll show you the crystal clear. This is crystal clear, which many have seen videos again and again, and many have been asking me about the price and all. This is 200 grams for 150 rupees. Okay, so I have one more crystal launch today. These are selenite chips. This looks beautiful in your trays, tables. These are real selenite. Okay, selenite chips. I'll share the clear picture on Instagram and my website. This will be up on website today. Okay guys, anything else you want to show me? Show us white or transparent. Jalpa is done. Crystal price is done. Anything else, girls? Already booked. Yes, Preeti, already booked. Guys, I have so many things to be uploaded on website. I have more glitters to be done. We have got new round glitters. We are launching star glitters next week post Diwali. You missed seeing Roman numbers. This is, I'm showing it in gold. Okay, this has a protective film. Okay, protection film, you can remove it once you receive it. This, okay, the size of these are 0.75 inch. It fits perfect on 9 inch. You guys can try it on 12 inch base also. Preeti, done? You saw it? I'll send you a set of this size, Preeti. You want it in which shade? Gold, black or white? Let me know. Okay guys, the crystals are done. I'm just guessing if I want to show you anything else which is left out. Tell me anything else. What do you want to? You want to see black Roman numbers? I'll show you the black Roman numbers. I'll show you. Preeti, wait, I'll remove the protection film from it, or else you can't see. Black, I'll heal and give me. Jalpa, no, I don't keep Ornish or for alcoholics. All 5, please book them for me. Which 5, Veena ji? What 5? Here, Preeti, the black. Veena ji, WhatsApp me, na. I might miss your message here. Roman numbers. I have only black, white, and gold. So I didn't understand what 5 book from. You mean 5 sets in each, or WhatsApp me, that's easy. Yeah. Yes guys, so that's it, today's launch. Okay, yes, done. Guys, anyone wants to see the acrylic coasters again, what we had launched last week, let me know. I can surely show you. Should I show the coaster holder I made? Preeti, shall I take you live? Are you free? Sangeeta, resin artist. Sangeeta, please, this will be up on website today. In another 1 hour's time, you can place order on website. Crafty and much more. Okay, you want to see the coasters of black and white? I'll show you. We had launched 3 shapes. Preeti, I'm taking you live. So guys, you can see what Preeti coaster holder from the mold what she won last week in correct the guessing. Preeti, I sent you a request.
Yeah, hi.
Hi Preeti.
Yeah, hi.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali. I haven't taken bath and all, but still so much of work.
One sec. I wasn't able to hear you because of the mic.
Yeah. Can you hear me now? Just trying.
Yeah, I can hear you. No, because I was using mic, I was not able to hear you.
Yeah, so I'm going to show you guys. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, we are able to hear you.
Yeah, so I'm going to put my camera on reverse and show you, okay? Yeah, so this is the coaster holder that was given to me. Just a moment, hold on, just a moment. You, my son is sleeping and the door just banged.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the coaster holder which I got. Okay, so this has provision for 4 coasters. So this was the one I made recently. Can you see the shine?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the shine. So this, so this was made actually with 2 colors. I mixed 2 colors. So one is the teal, which I got from you, the teal or the turquoise, and a little bit of a green pigment I had. So, and then this was a coaster which I got from you. So this fits comfortably. Okay.
Yeah. So because it's 8 mm, the coaster what you got is also 8 mm, and the cavity is also 8 mm.
Yeah, so this fits comfortably. So this is the coaster holder. This is what it was shown on my page yesterday. So there was a small video on this, and then I made this. So it has small shells engraved and a little bit of pearl work here and there. So the color is the same as the base. So you want to see much of a difference,
Same as the mold, correct. Yeah.
So thank you, Manisha.
Thank you so much, Preeti, for sharing your creation.
Okay, logging off now. Happy Diwali. Bye.
Happy Diwali to you too. Bye.
How do
So guys, just now what Preeti was showing was the coaster holder mold, what she received last week from us for correct guessing of the mold. So you saw the beautiful creation she's done. Yeah, happy Diwali. Happy Diwali to everyone. So today I'm going to, today is actually Dhanteras. So we will be, I'll be having a small puja at office also for Dhanteras. And tomorrow is actual Diwali, Lakshmi Puja. Post holder looks pretty. Yeah, yes, Sangeeta. Preeti has done very beautiful, pretty work on it. So guys, someone wanted to see the acrylic coasters what we launched last week. So black hexagon, black round, black square. So black square and round. These two shapes, they both shapes in any color in black, white or transparent is a set of 4 piece for 220 rupees. And hexagon is set of 4 piece for 249 rupees. This is black and I'm going to share with you white coaster. Square, round and hexagon. Okay, so 3 shapes. If you guys want some more new shapes, you can always message me. We are always open to launch new shapes. I am also taking customizations for name cutouts in acrylic and metal. You can guys get it done even in MDF actually. Anything customized, you can get it done from us. So done, that's it. You guys want to see the coaster holder mold what we launched last week, what Preeti just shared. I'll show you the coaster holder mold and the fitting holder molds. I hope everyone is aware. I'll just show you. Okay, it's packed. Okay, I'll just open and show you. We do pack it with these wrap, so it's dust free. I'm not removing the wrap. You guys want me to remove the wrap? Now my team, they take a lot of effort in wrapping it, so I feel sad to remove the wrapper. This is the coaster holder mold, coaster stand holder, you can say, or else. Okay. So I need a hair clip mold. Avantika, hair clip mold is not in store. Do you have store in Chennai? Yes, Sangeeta ji, we have store in Chennai. I'm at present in my office only in Arepuram. When will you launch? Avantika, hairpin mold, I haven't thought about it, but we already have some designs on our website which is out of stock. So this is coaster holder mold, guys. I'll share with you the stand fitting mold. This is the stand fitting mold you get with the 3 fitting cavity. You get legs for this. How this is used, I'll show you. See, when you make any platter or a tray, for example, this is the platter. You make a fitting out of it, stand fitting, okay, and then you fix your stand inside. It's so simple. You don't have to stick your stand. When you send to your client or customers, you can just send it like this and they can just fit into it. I'll show you. You just insert it into it. This is how it looks. You get three stands, okay? Can you share the address? Sangeeta ji, just message me, WhatsApp me. My address is actually there on my Instagram also. Or else you can check in Google Madras Bazaar. It will show you the address. You need legs fitting, Naveed. Who was that? I need that stand. Naveed Samya. Okay, you can see it will be updated. We have already sold out 100 sets of it. I'm getting more in after Diwali, maybe by Wednesday or Friday. It will take a week's time to restock those. No, it's out of stock, darling. I can put this stock on website, but then dispatch will take another week's time because my restock will be coming only after Diwali. I shall message on Insta as I don't have your WhatsApp number. Note down my WhatsApp number 7010 040. Are you guys able to hear me? 7010 Pigments, metallic silver. See, that's what I just shared. What I have. We just launched the pearls silver. Did you miss it? I'll show you the silver. This looks exactly like metallic silver. In metallic, we have only 3 shades right now. Gold, I mean rich gold, pale gold, and copper. Okay, I need 6-piece, 6-piece set of what? Naveed, Samya, please WhatsApp me for clearing your order details and all. Can I book? No, I'm not taking orders on Instagram Live. Orders are only on website. You have to place order on website. So guys, these pearl powders, each pearl powder is for 75 rupees. We have 12 shades. I might launch 12 shades as a pack also, which will cost you more cheaper. Once again, what? Husna, again. Husna Abdul Hakim, can you be clear once again? What should I show you? We have epoxy pigments, we have metallic powders, we have. Can I book now? No, like you have to. I'll update it on website. Okay, you can book it on website, but then shipping will happen only next Friday. Shagun, how I started Madras Bazaar. I actually shared last week on my live when we had completed 8 years. So I started this 8 years back. I just started as a crafter, and then I got into selling of raw materials because I felt, if everyone is going to craft, we need some sellers also who sells raw materials. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, guys. Happy Diwali to you all. Once again, all these things, whatever I shared with you, will be updated today on website. Thank you for joining. Happy Diwali once again. Yes, 8 years, Little Artist Scout. I hope you have messaged me. If you have my WhatsApp number, WhatsApp me. I'll send you your mold. Thank you so much, guys, once again.